Today we're gonna sous vide this guy. Ox tongue. Beef tongue. Lengua. In French, la langue. La langue de veau. Alright. I'm gonna show you how to go about this. This looks beautiful. Look at that. Okay, we're marinating our beef tongue here. It's a nice ox. We got dried oregano, we got chipotle, we got paprika, and we got some cumin. And also we're gonna put some white vinegar in it in the sous vide at 190 for about 6 hours. That's the fastest way we can do this. Okay, in the Ziploc, and it's going into the water bath. Okay, then our sous vide system is set at 190, and we're gonna cook this for 6 hours. 6 hours. I'd like to marinate the tongue, the lengua, for about 12 hours in my fridge, and then we'll come back and get it. So give it about 12 hours. So our immersion circulator has reached the desired temperature, and whoa, it's hot. And then we're going to submerge our ox tongue into the water bath and use this technique. Basically get all the air out. Alright, beautiful. And then we're going to zip this, seal it, and we'll let it cook for about 6 hours. Our beef tongue is ready. We're just gonna remove it. I had to place a little plate here because it was doing this. It was coming up with the water. So let's move this our tongue right here and let it relax for a little bit. Okay, let's pour the juice and let's discard the peppers. Those were dried peppers that I put in previously. Let's add our homemade beef stock. Beautiful. Let's proceed and peel the beef tongue. Wow. Look at the back. It's beautiful. So just start slowly here. See? And it should come off easy. Like butter. Look at this. See? That is just beautiful. Right? It's like music. So we have peeled our tongue and it's intact. So we're going to discard the skin and then we're going to work on the rest. That's the goal we wanted with this. Alright, let's chop. Wow, look at that. It's so tender. It's not even funny. It's gonna be some good stuff here. We're gonna drop the broth and reduce half. This stock, let's sample this stock. Oh my God, this stock is so delicious and good and well balanced. I could just sip it all night by myself next to a beautiful fire. Oh, it's reducing very well. Okay, so we're losing a lot of water right there, which is a good thing. Our broth is thickening up. As you can see, make sure you don't overcook it, otherwise it burns. And we're gonna drop this a little bit on the Lengua Tacos, because we're gonna make tacos tonight, right? So it's gonna be our topping. Looks beautiful. Nicely done. Let's try this. Oh yeah, beautiful. I think we're done with it. Let's set it aside. Let's work on our tortillas, okay? We have good looking tortillas coming up. Our tortillas ready to go. Beautiful. Tortillas looking beautiful. Look at this. Divine, isn't it? Let's drop the beef tongue. The onions. The tomatoes. Homemade creme fraiche. Cilantro. Homemade chills. And let's eat. It's beautiful. Bon appetit. This is the Mexican style. They call it Lengua Tacos. So basically this is a tribute to the Mexican culinary artwork. Bon appetit. Enjoy. Now it's time to sample this goodness. A little bit of lime juice. Ooh, looking good. Let's not forget a dollop of our concussion here that we've made. Oh my goodness. Orgasmic, isn't it? Yes. So we're gonna sample, we're gonna try this thing right now, okay? Oh my God, it smells so good. Guys, I tell you, life without good stuff is no life. Alright. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Forget about it. Okay. So this is to Mexico. Okay. If you don't win the World Cup soccer in Qatar, I withdraw my my recipe tonight. Okay, beautiful people. That was Chef Antonio Micheri from Healdsburg, California. If you have any questions, please email me. I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. Ciao bellos. Peace.